I just made this easy breezy chicken from Costco in the microwave. I just broke apart those pieces, drained off the juice as it calls it, put it in the microwave for a minute, then added the sauce, poured it over the chicken, and then microwave for another 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes as it said. Sounds like a minute and a half to me. Looks like that. I had a little bit of rosemary that I got at Home Goods. So yeah, man. And it smells amazingly. Sure does. Oh my God. And tastes even better. So I'm gonna add a little lettuce. Some vegetables would go great in that. I'm just trying to keep it simple. Plus I'm on a diet. Might add a few olives. I do love me some Kalamata olives, even if they might be just a tad salty sometimes. Pitted, so I don't have to mess with that. I just like them better than green olives. I love Kalamata olive bread. And my lettuce is this baby romaine, also from Costco. I just used really a whole head in it. Looks like that out of the bag. And now for the all-important taste test. Let's see how she fares. Chicken and an olive and a piece of lettuce. I was kind of afraid the olives might color the flavor a little too much, which they do, but I can eat them separately and then get a bite of chicken with some lettuce without an olive. This sauce is killer. Really helps the olives out as a separate bite. I need to cut this chicken up a little bit. And fortunately, I've got my handy dandy kitchen shears, which makes doing this one-handed infinitely easier. Now let's sauce it up a little bit. Tossed chicken salad of sorts. And let's see what we got. Yeah, those olives are a little bit overpowering, so I'll eat them separately. Bite of olives with sauce and lettuce. I can really taste the rosemary. That's really good. Don't forget to subscribe.